Don't join. How is it wrong rules? Nothing's wrong about it, mate. Positive, mate. One's about here. What? Mate. Mate. It is. Right, let's just end this, mate. Apparently we've got wrong rules. Let's see. Have I? Wrong rules. Let's see. Set up game. Edit game rules. 3 minutes a round. 3 minutes time limit. Round win limit 4 minutes. Search and destroy settings 7.5, 7.5. Switch sides every round. General settings. Score streaks, nope. Team game. Changing game, nope. Third person spectating, nope. Battle chat off. Health and damage. Friendly fire on. So there's no wrong rules. Let's just invite them in, Jack. See what they say. Nah mate, I just went through them and checked every single rule. Rules are right. Post up to now, I'm recording right now. You got beat both maps, so there's no need to try that dodgy shit just to try and get a win. Right, how is it wrong rules, mate? I'm recording you. I'm still recording, and he's joined the party. So you've just posted the win. Did you say, Lipo? Right. Mate, I'm recording. So if you've done the dodgy here, let's see if I post this 2-0 to us. Let's see. However, the scores reported by your team and opponents do not match. Obviously not, you fucking... Mate, people